yang persya Dr. Mukul sama ulakam baka parti NPP kalai lamik officer ban ipej ki surak pat hang ton tu ki kalai hukum ki officer ban marmat ki surak ke election chitang samai gambagri kan lang shan hakini ki benai habakran taksi khandai tregunai lo aja upsau Dr. Mukul ula boj keliru hato dan kata ka gambagri ban marmat ki surak pat kumu officer un marmat ki surak klaim ko project klaim ka jengmang pisa pat kum kelti ke bede ben le ulo ongru balada ka sarkar kala bane kumni balai an marumatai ka surah gambagri lelam shkwi ki jaka haka jala haka baki surah kelas ni ta samlun haka jokpor ula kamru bakane ka sarkar ka NPP laithui u bawdan way contractor ubana Shillong uba yo Shaid ki kabil ba yo ru i ka jintrai ki behe taba ki way pat kimyo ulo ong ba unha panwat ki kani haka baki way pat ki contractor kinyo lam kumayo mu
Is it only Gambagri where ministers have responsibility? Is it only Gambagri where the officers have responsibility? Various line departments? Now, for instance, I was informed that they have taken the officer to the side and gave an order on the side, okay, repair this road. How many roads are there which require repairment in the state? So how do you draw the kind of conclusion from that particular incident, which actually has happened. Now, if the officers have to embark upon any initiative for renovation or repair or upgradation of the roads, we know that this government is the only government which has not spent money for repair and maintenance of the road. There are so many roads which are as though they are orphans. As though there is no line department. You go and ask the line department whether they have money for the repair and upkeep of the existing road. They say there is no fund. If there is no fund for all those roads, where is the fund coming for those roads on the instant order of somebody in power, which is who belongs to the political class? There is a given norm. If you are doing it in respect of any such immediate restoration required to be done in regard to the natural calamity, that is a different thing. The law allows this power. But for other normal repair and upkeep of the road, there is a set procedure, norm. The department has to prepare the estimates, department has to submit it for approval, not instantaneously. It is not. Because it leaves lots of room for manipulation, lots of room to engage in illegalities, and also for nepotism. Who are the contractors who have been engaged? Who are the contractors? Now, if the contractors, you will see in the CAG report, you will see for some of the schemes which are waiting for completion, where physical progress is 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, payments are not being met. Payments are not being met. So now the government or the line departments will have to answer. They'll have to come with this suo motu response. Why were they not paying? Now if they're paying to Mr. A and they keep on paying Mr. A, but to B, C, D, E, F, G, S, they don't pay, it is what? Reflection of nepotism, manipulation, and corruption. So these are the things where the accountability of the officers will come. I am also told that there is one particular contractor in Shillong who is the most privileged one to get all the bills all the time. I'll have to find out. When all the other contractors are not getting any bill, he keeps on getting and he keeps on getting and he keeps on getting, and he's the only fortunate contractor in the state of Meghalaya in respect of the contractors in this capital city. I think you'll also have to do some investigative journalism and find out who is that most privileged so-called contractor.
So since you are going to take up in state